An engineer is a person who designs and builds things to solve specific problems, someone who wants to know how and why things work. There are different types of engineers: civil, electrical, mechanical, software, aerospace, and more. No matter what type of engineer you want to be, there's a series of steps that all engineers follow when they're trying to solve a problem. This process is called the engineering process. First thing you have to do is just define the problem. Once you've figured out what problem you want to tackle, you need to do your research. You can start by making a list of questions you have and what information you need to start answering them. You can also look around and find what other things already exist that have tried to solve this same problem. Maybe they can be improved. This takes us to step 3, develop a solution. After your research is done, this is where you say exactly how you think you can solve the problem. And once you've thought of a good solution, you have to figure out how it actually works and what it would look like. So you have to design your solution. This is where you get to draw. Civil engineers always sketch out their ideas like buildings and bridges and towers to show what they'll look like when they're done. On to step 5, build a prototype. A prototype is just a simple model that lets you test out your design. It can be as big as the real thing is going to be, or it can be a smaller version. You just need to have a prototype so you can test it. This may be the most important step in the whole process. Engineers need to test their designs to see if it works like they want it to. You might have a great idea, a really terrific solution to a really big problem. But when you get to this step, your prototype probably won't work exactly the way you want. At least, not on the first try. Most engineers test their prototypes over and over and over again. That's why a lot of time and brain power goes into the very last step, evaluating your solutions. Now that you know about the engineering process, go on out into the world, find a problem, and use the process to solve it. See you in the next video.